Week 7, flowcharts. Well, this week we're going to be jumping into an area that's very, very important to the area of game development, and that is flowcharting. Flowcharts, you see, serve as a visual reference for the logic of your game. So you might think of it as a roadmap, if you will, that illustrates how this game that you're creating is going to play out. So many people need to take a look at this thing. It's not just for yourself, but it's for your development team and anybody else that's involved in that's interested in the playability of your game. So we're going to have 2 assignments in this unit. First of all, you'll be creating a simplified practice flowchart and something that should be familiar to you. And then the second one is going to be on your own game idea, your game flowchart, which will probably be a little bit more complex. So you'll be learning this week the aspect of linear and nonlinear flowcharting, why these, what's the reason for doing them, why we use them, and the standard symbols that are used in flowcharts, such as as you'll go through the slides, you'll see like the diamond shape, and all these shapes are absolutely important. They're critical because they have meaning in the flowchart itself. The diamond shape, for example, is a decisions symbol. It means that there's only a Boolean answer. When a flow comes to a diamond shape, it would be either yes or no or true or false. So what that means is that a flow would come into the diamond shape, and then you can only have an arrow that 2 arrows that leave it, and they would either be a true or false or yes or no statement. So those are the kinds of things that you'll be learning in the PDF files and the PowerPoint files that come with this. So, and those, you will have to go through those slides, take some notes on that, develop your own game idea flowchart, but prior to doing that, you will create a practice flowchart on something that should be familiar to you, and that's called the Take a Shower flowchart. So I'm hoping that most of you have taken a shower before, and it should be somewhat familiar to you. So in order to do this assignment, you're going to need some flowcharting software. Now Microsoft has a product called Visio, and it works really, really well. In fact, it's my favorite of the software choices to use, but there are several other options available to you as well. Many of them are online. For example, if you have a Google account, you can get a free one if you don't have one yet, but check out Google Drawings. They have a great tool for creating flowcharts. Lucidchart seems to be, they claim to be a real rival for Microsoft Visio, and they're an online, you can download the free version of that online as well. I have links to all of these options in my announcement page. SmartDraw is another one, and then Gliffy. So you want to check all of those out before making your own decision as to which one you want to use. If you do prefer the Microsoft solution using Visio, I'll be happy to set up a Microsoft DreamSpark account for you, where you can download Visio and many other titles of their software for free. So if you want to be included in that, be certain to email me this week to let me know if you would like to have a DreamSpark account from Microsoft, which is probably your best option. So the most important thing this week is to have fun. Fun is what we create, and we got to have fun doing it. So definitely have fun this week, and I'll be looking forward to seeing your work.